Unit measure conversion. The unit measure conversion allows the user to buy and sell different unit measures for the same part, using a combination of different unit measures for the quantity and for the price as well. In some cases, the part is kept in stock as a singular unit measure and is sold individually. This will be displayed in the software as each. The user can also buy the parts in different unit measures such as by the dozen or by the hundred. Each part has a default unit measure which is stored in the warehouse. When the user chooses to buy the part in a different unit measure, the configuration of the conversion between the units is required. In this sample, the individual item is stocked as each. Here the user will buy the item, which is described as each, as a set of 100 units per box. The unit measure each is displayed as EA, and the unit measure 100 is listed as HU. The user will then choose Options, and in the Options will select Quantity conversion. After the Stock list window opens, the user will select Add where he will insert the stock for conversion. Here the user will buy the item, which is described as each, as a set of 100 units per box. The unit measure each is displayed as EA, and the unit measure 100 is listed as HU. After selecting the Purchase Order button, the user will select a vendor, and after opening a PO, will select the part number. When the user purchases 5 sets or packages of HU, which is 500, the user is then buying a quantity of 5 HU and will end up with 500 units of each in the warehouse. The price of the items in this example is $200 per 100 items. Here, the user is purchasing 5 boxes packed with 100 items each. In the line, there are 2 unit measures. One represents the quantity unit measure, and the other represents the price per unit measure. After selecting the Receiving button, the user will then open the purchase order previously made and can preview the chosen quantity. After receiving the 5 boxes of 100 items each, the system will calculate and convert the items to the part unit measure listed in the warehouse while the user is updating the stock. In this case, the system will create the quantity of 500 units each. The cost for each unit will be $2. The unit measure conversion can be used in both purchasing and sale documents. The calculations will always be based on the main part unit measure listed in stock.